Yeah, here we have a Jet 6" by 48" belt sander, combination 12" disc sander. Appears to be unused. We have it powered up so you can watch it run. Hit the start button. Machine is unused. It's in really good condition. It does have a little shipping distress. I'm going to show you that right here. This chunk of metal here fell off. This holds the dust chute right here. That holds that on. This got a little bit damaged too. All right, and it appears that the holes right here, 1, 2, 3, they're stripped out, so we can't even put it on partially. A few paint scuffs, not a big deal. Runs very well. Includes 12" sanding disc, the instruction manual, of course the platens. This will all be boxed up separately and the head put down for shipment.